Hello, my Woodway Wildcats. We're going to do our science lesson today, and we are looking at changes from heat. So when a heat makes a change, it can make a solid turn into a liquid, and a liquid turn into a gas, okay? And the cycle can keep happening. We're going to look at some of these vocabulary words to start off our lesson for today. Changes from heat. Okay, the first thing that we need to know is matter. We have been really focusing on the word matter. Matter is stuff that everything is made of. Okay, everything is made of matter. All right, physical properties. So we did our assignment the other day where we sorted everything out by its physical properties. So things about an object that can be seen, heard, tasted, smelt, or felt. Okay, so these are things that you can observe. So if we're looking at these flowers, we could sort them by color. Okay, we could put all the blue ones together, all the red ones together. Temperature. Temperature, I'm sure you've heard of this word. How hot or cold something is. Okay, so if something's really hot, you're going to go, ooh, right? If you touch it and you don't mean to, and it's hot. Or even if it's cold, it might freeze your little fingers. Cooling. Okay, so if they are cooling something down, it is to become less hot. So if you came into my classroom and I said, we need to get somebody to cool down the room because they need to cool it off, it's going to become less hot. Freezing. Freezing is when a liquid, like water, becomes a solid, like ice. Heating. Heating, you might talk about heating up your house when it's cold in the winter, right? You want it to be warm in your house, so you have to heat it up. So heating is to become more hot. Melting. Okay, melting, I'm sure you've heard of whenever you're eating ice cream and you lick it and your mouth is hot and the ice cream's cold, it starts melting. Or maybe it's a hot day and you have your ice cream cone and the sun is hot and it starts melting it, right? Okay, so these are all things that we can use when talking about temperature change in an object. You're going to have a lesson today on Google Classroom over these vocabulary words, just a short little assessment so you can keep track of your knowledge of these vocabulary words.